145 years ago, on September 8th, the Word decided to become flesh once again with the foundation of the Society of the Divine Word, SVD. Though the political chaos of Kulturkampf prowled all around, yet the vision of a religious missionary congregation found a strong ground. Though the decision to found a congregation was perceived as foolishness, yet the wisdom of the Word was to birth missionaries with zest. Though Arnold Janssen was not termed a person fitting to be a founder, yet his love for the Word impelled him to be a profounder. With empty pocket and only 3 young candidates, though the Society of the Divine Word had its humble genesis in a dilapidated inn in Steyl, yet the Word transformed and made every missionary enterprise worthwhile. Today, SVDs as Word-inspired missionaries work in 84 countries with 59 provinces, missions, regions, with 4,657 finally professed members, with 1,003 members in temporary vows and 356 novices as of June 1, 2020. An international and multicultural family synergistically striving to be a living symbol of the unity and diversity of the Church, making goodness, kindness and mercy of God visible in life and service, translating the vision of the founder into a pulsating reality through pastoral work, education, biblical apostolate, communication, justice, peace and integrity of creation, and other specialized ministries with the true spirit of prophetic dialogue and interculturality, crossing boundaries, adapting to situations, witnessing God's love and radiating the light of the Word at the center and at the periphery, to the least, the last and the lost. SVD 145, still young, still strong, with the elderly and the young, with the consecrated along with the lay partners, marching ahead as ambassadors, founded on the Word and impelled by the love of Christ, missionaries rooted in the Word, committed to His mission. Celebrating 145 years of legacy on September 8, 2020. We are the SVD, and our name is our mission.